Yung has been, have been, saka had been. Paano yung ginagamit ng perfect tense? O review tayo guys. What happened at an unspecified time. Commonly yung walang kasiguraduhan yung oras o yung katatapos. Next, let us take a review. Ano ba yung mga forms of the verbs natin? Okay, we have the F1, base form. We have the F2, which is S form. Ginagamit to sa simple present tense. We have the F3, which is simple past tense. And we have the verb with ing. Okay? F4 po yun. Yung F5 naman is past participle. Okay? Ginagamit to sa mga perfect tenses. Examples here. We have the help, helps, helped with ed because it's a regular verb. Helping with ing, helped.